Hello, happy Thursday. Hey, Nick.
Nikki, how are you?
I'm good. Happy afternoon. Good morning to everyone that is in the morning. Good evening. This is so exciting because this is the first time that Nick is hosting the webinar from LA. So he is on morning time. What time is it for you now?
11 a.m.
11 a.m. And I'm tuning in from Utah this week. So I'm actually 12 p.m. noon. So it's just really awesome how global, HeyGen is, our audience is, and how remote and how we can really just do this from anywhere. So thank you again all for tuning in to another webinar. This one is really exciting. We always have some good updates, and today we're going to be going over just a quick overview of 101 of all the features that we have, all the updates we have, and also answering some of your questions. I know a lot of you have a lot of questions and a lot of new ways that you're using HeyGen. So we love hearing how you're using HeyGen. Definitely let us know in the comments. Let us know how you're using it, if there's new ways, and any feedback that you have so we can keep improving. But maybe to start, let's have everyone write in what industry you work in or what kind of job you work in, just so that we know and are able to guide the discussion, maybe come up with some ideas, some content ideas for your industry. And as always, the flow of this webinar usually goes is we're live on YouTube, we're live on LinkedIn, live on TikTok, and we're going to be going over a little introduction of ourselves, what HeyGen is, who it's used for, why HeyGen, and then a few different features. We'll do a little demo and then a live Q&A at the end. So we have here, I'm Nikki, the social media manager. I run the TikTok, and I'm always looking at different ways that we can be onboarding ambassadors and just coming up with new creative content ideas for HeyGen. And then we have Nick here, who introduced
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah, I'm the enterprise support manager of HeyGen, so I will be responsible for not just like first level support questions from our potential enterprise customer, but also existing enterprise customer. So also like onboardings, tips and tricks in case of like how to pronounce a word in a better way, or even like some technical questions in the back end. I'm also like running the Discord channel, also running the X Twitter channel. So yeah, a lot of things going on. And like you said before, I just love this like international crowd. I'm just loving this. I mean, we are like in every time zone, and it's so much fun. And we get so much good like feature requests and also good ideas, what we could like, how we could improve HeyGen itself, but also like how we could make it even better. So yeah, I'm looking forward and to speak like today about like I would say just starting, like get started with HeyGen. I think this should be the topic
Yeah,
today.
we
Yeah.
always have so many new people on our webinars and just following us and seeing our, social media posts, and then somehow they end up either on this webinar or they just end up in the Discord channel or looking more and learning more about HeyGen. So we want to go over all of the basics of the intros and just really help you out if you have never used HeyGen before, or if you're new to it. There might be so many features that you haven't even tried out for yourself. And at the very end, we give out 5 free credits to
Yes.
try out features, and you can use them all. And every webinar, every week, we'll give you 5 free credits if you attend till the end.
And we will have like a big contest in February on our Discord channel. So please join our Discord channel, go to the channel contest wishes, and say just like, or text the word here, and I will like put you on the list, because for this contest in February, I will give you 5 extra credits to join this contest, and we will have like some big prizes that you could, yeah, win. So let's get started, I think, right?
Yes, of course. And I love seeing all the comments. So definitely let us know if you have questions throughout. I see we have some new people excited to learn. Let's get into it. So let's just first talk about who is HeyGen for and why. Maybe you wanna,
Yeah,
answer
HeyGen
that.
is like an AI video creation generation tool. So we will call it like text to video. And we are not just doing this without just like prompting or texting. We could do it even with your own avatar. And I think this is the first topic we should speak about. So HeyGen is getting popular really because we will have one of the best, maybe the best quality of avatar, so of your digital twin in this industry. So this means you can just record yourself with a webcam, with your smartphone camera, and create your digital twin. And how does it work is, I will just give you a small demo here. So you could go to create an instant avatar, and then
Hey guys, I'm Joshua.
we will follow you through the process. So this is Joshua, our CEO and co-founder, and he will introduce you to like the creating an instant avatar from yourself. So if you press to get started, you could have like a preferred video instruction or text instruction. So we need a footage from you, a video or like a live webcam recording, and also a consent from you. And then after 5 minutes, you will get your instant avatar. And we'll also give you guidelines like how to record in the best way possible your avatar to result like the best like result possible, right? So please try this out. This is a lot of fun to see yourself and just like control with like text and script to speak. Like this is just awesome. So, and how does it work? I will show you now. So we have two different type of avatars. We have this instant avatar. You will see it here like a free revision, and then we have like fine-tune avatar. So what is the big difference here is like with this fine-tune avatar, you can remove the background, for example. You will get a higher resolution of quality itself, like a 4K resolution, and you will also have a better lip synchronization. And last but not least, you can over 40 kind of languages to your avatar. So in that case, and yes, you listen correctly, you can speak like over 40 languages with your avatar. And how does this work? I will show you right now. But for all the enterprise customer, we have one more advanced technology here, and it's called Studio Avatar. And with this Studio Avatar, you will get like the highest resolution of quality, but for sure you have to do it in the high professional green screening setup. We need more video footage from your avatar, and then you can, we will train your avatar. So the biggest change will be the frame rate at the end. So with the instant avatar, it comes with a 25 FPS frame rate, and with the studio avatar, it comes with a 60 FPS frame rate. So just let's have a look through these avatars that we can just close the first topic of today because I want to show you. So
Yeah,
if you
sure.
if you create like your own avatar, you will notice that this avatar, you can't remove the background because this is the free like basic one. But if you have like a fine-tuned avatar like Joshua, our CEO here, you will see this button, remove avatar background. And then HeyGen is doing the magic. So, and from here on, you can create your video how you want to. So for example, we will use our avatar from our CEO. We will give him just the circle view. And then, for example, we go to our asset folder because here is our brand kit. And we will add now like a new background. So we will set up a new background. And then we will add our logo. Let's take this one for here. And then we can start to create our video. So, and here is the magic itself. So here's the script section. So editor or it doesn't matter what you're typing in here, the avatar with a perfect lip synchronization will speak the script. And I get a question very often because a lot of people, or like even clients or users, are asking, okay, but I will put my script here in my mother tongue language. So how can I change my language here? And this is pretty easy. So you go to this button, translate, and then you just select the language you're looking for. So for example, we want to speak today Hebrew. All right. So we will change the transcript itself. We can apply this to the scene. And now this Hebrew text is speaking by the avatar with a perfect lip synchronization. And this is the magic behind HeyGen. And you have to try it because this is one of the coolest feature we have. But for sure, this was just like a simple demo here. I mean,
we do have a couple questions.
Oh,
too.
yeah, sure. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sure.
So someone is asking if this is only available for enterprise.
No. So this feature is completely workable with our like free, but even like the creator or business plan. So you can create your instant avatar. You can upgrade your instant avatar to a fine-tune avatar, and then you can use all the features here. So you will see this here. If you go to pricing, you can start for just like 29 US dollar per month with your instant avatar, or even you can upgrade this for an additional cost for sure for like the fine-tune avatar. So
yeah,
and
that's perfect. Someone was asking too. So,
yeah,
awesome.
so if you want to have like a better quality itself in case of the resolution, yeah, you should start with a business package for sure for $89, right? So, and if you have like a bigger amount, like because you have more, you need more seats because you're like an organization and like 10 people have to work in the same account. You want to create hundreds of avatars from your own like employees, or you need like more minutes in case of video creation. So you should like contact us via enterprise. So contact sales, fill up the type form, and we will get back to you very soon.
Yeah, and so another question is, will it be my voice speaking the languages?
Yes, perfect. So great question. So if you are recording yourself, we will take the voice from the video and we will train the voice as well. So you could select. So like here. So this is a different type of voice, and this is, I think, he's also Jack's voice. We have Wayne's voice, our like CPO and co-founder, and then we have our CEO voice as well. So you could select, but for sure you could even select one of our like voices we are providing, because we have a strong partnership with 11 Labs. So we are working with them together. So you could even like, we have different type of categories, and then you can just like select the voice in any kind of language you're looking for. So we have like specific voices for like, yeah, Dutch in Netherlands, or like Dutch in Belgium. And also I just want to show you French, because French is like a special one, because we have so many accents, right? So we have France French, we have Belgium, we have Luxembourg, we have Canadian. So and we will have the same for Spanish as well.
Yeah, and we're always adding more accents. We just added Portuguese. I know we added the Brazilian and the Portuguese. So there's a lot of different languages, and just keep requesting if there's more that you haven't seen that you would use and want to see, and we'll work on adding it quickly. I have another question that I've seen a lot of people ask about the background. So is it the same background? Can you remove it, or can you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure. So we can change the background, and we will even help you. So what it means is, if you go to Elements and you would like to, I mean, we have a big library in case of like photos and videos. So if you go to Images here, oh, this is video, Images, and you want to search for a specific like topic, let's say, I don't know, garden. So you can just select one of our provided pictures, and then you could set this up to a background. What happened here?
Okay, but what about for your actual avatar? Is it whatever you filmed with, or can we remove it?
Oh.
Or
yeah, you don't have to do it in a like green screening setup or anything. You can just take it as it is, make yourself comfortable in a nice environment, and just shoot yourself and upload this video. Yeah, and we will like do the mapping of the remove the background on our own, like with our technology. So it's completely up to you. Yes.
Right. So once we record ourselves and then we have our instant avatar available, we can remove the background on our platform, or
yeah, exactly. If you have a fine-tuned avatar, if you upgrade your instant avatar, I will just show you again.
Oh, so it has to be with fine-tune that you can remove it.
Yeah, so like here's my video, my recording from my avatar.
Hallo
right?
Yumi, dein Instant-Avatar ist bereit.
So this is my avatar, and this is the background, right, by default. So if I want to remove this background, I will just like go to fine-tune here, and then I will check out here. So I will have to get an additional cost here, but then you will have your fine-tune avatar, and then you can remove the background as I showed you before with our like avatar from our CEO. Yes.
Okay. And is the $79 monthly cost to fine-tune, is that only for one avatar or for all the avatars?
Yes, it's for one avatar, right?
One avatar.
So
okay.
I get one more question as well, because I saw it here. So if you're not that like creative and you don't have the ideas, okay, we will help you to create even like a template for you. So what it means is that you can select one of our provided templates, and we will add more and more for sure, 100%. We're getting better and better with this. So you could select one of our like templates. You could use this template, for example, and then we will, you could just change it as you want to. So for example, you want to use now your own avatar. So we will take Joshua here. And now we see, okay, it's still with the background. We will remove the background here with this button. And then we have our CEO here in this template. So, and this means you could customize it. So you could even change the text. So whatever you want to do, you could change, but we will like, yeah, give you a small hand here if you want, if you don't have like ideas on your own. So yeah, this is our template section, and we have like different type of categories. So it doesn't matter if you're learning on development or just like social media ads or e-commerce, explainer videos, whatever. So we have a lot of templates you could use or build on top.
Awesome. Yeah. So I think this is a great quick demo of the AI avatars. For those of you who haven't created an instant avatar, maybe aren't interested in that, we also have a ton of AI avatars that are already made that you can go ahead and choose from, that you can choose on the templates as well, or you can create, you know, whatever kind of media, social media or posts or videos that you want. With all of the avatars, I believe there's over 100. So definitely check them out. We're also always adding more avatars as well. So different looks and different clothing, outfits. Definitely check them out. They're really great as well.
Yeah, like exactly. Good point, Nikki.
They're fluent. They're polyglots. Is that the right word? They speak like more than 5 languages. Polyglot.
Yeah,
I think that's what it is.
I think, yeah. So yeah, but like you said, and it's a good point. So if you go to create a video and you don't want to use yourself, you want to use our provided, it's completely fine and it's doable. So you can go to our like studio avatar, like the highest quality of avatar so far, and you can just select one of the provided avatars, and then you can create, like, you could add a different type of language if you want to, and you could provide the text you want to. We also have like this, and I think this is one of the best features also, because we are working with GPT-4 in the background. This means we will help you to create like a perfect script if you don't really have like a topic right now, like create a top 10 list
Valentine's.
from
Let's do a Valentine's Day one.
I don't know, best weather cities, I don't know, just for example. Yeah, so this was a very from with the most sunny hours on, I don't know, on Earth. Maybe he will find this. I like this, that he's asking me questions to like clarify and get more like in specific, right?
Awesome.
So I think it's a very good feature here. So yeah, and then he will say like, okay, let me create a top 10 list of cities with the most sunny hours on Earth. Please give me a moment. So he is helping you to get your script done, right? So you don't have to do anything, everything on your own. So GPT-4 is helping you in the background. So, and then if this is ready, you can use this text or this script, and then the avatar will speak this script in any kind of language you're looking for. Yeah, with a perfect lip synchronization. So this is the whole magic in the background. And yeah, this is our avatar feature. And you have to keep in mind that our avatar feature is always for creating new content, right? So yeah, this is a pretty cool feature. Any other questions, Nikki? Like any specific questions in case of avatar itself?
Oh my God, there's always so many questions, but I think we're good. We answered most of them. The background. I think there was one more question on background. If you can upload your background, you can.
Yeah.
And then a couple questions about using the credits, like how many credits do you use to create an AI avatar versus creating or using the video translation? Do you know exactly how many it is? I think it's just one. Depends on the length of the video.
Yeah, it really depends. Like, but for sure, like 1 credit means 1 minute in HeyGen. So, and like you said, it's really like on the plan you want to add, right? So if you take here to and start with a creator package, you will receive like 15 credits. So, and 15 credits means like 1 credit, 1 minute. So you will have like 15 minutes per month to create content. And our roundup time is 30 seconds. So even if you create like a video just with, I would say, 25 seconds, we will just charge you by half a credit and not the full credit.
Right.
So, and also if you have more questions or you want to get even better and you need tips and tricks or anything, you can go anytime on the left side to tutorials and look like how we did the videos itself, like with our like CEO. With his avatar and how we could create this. So there are tips and tricks. So please go to tutorial and have a look through our like folder here.
Awesome. Yes. And then one last question about, do I need to use 11 Labs to record my voice? No, you do not. That is a partnership that we have with them. You can do it directly on our platform and it will work. Our technology is built on theirs.
Exactly, but I think it's a fair question. You don't have to, but you could. So imagine if you want to train your voice even better because you're very familiar with the kind of technology with 11 Labs. So what you could do is you could have and create an account via like 11 Labs. You could like train your voice or even like a new voice, right? And then you could add your API key from 11 Labs and put it through HeyGen. So here's like 11 Labs. You can put your API key here. You could press confirm, and then you will see like the library of your voices from 11 Labs in HeyGen technology. Good question.
Awesome. Cool. So yeah, let's move on to another feature. I know there's so many good features here. And if we don't answer any of your questions, we are also always trying to do our best to answer everyone. So you can also hop on the Discord and ask questions there. But let's move on to which one? Video translation or
okay. Exactly. So like I said, I would say like the 2 biggest feature here in HeyGen is definitely the avatar feature. So the avatar feature means creating new content, right? But we also have video translate. Video translate is more for on-demand videos. So you already have like videos and you would love to see this video in a different type of language. So you have to imagine you could just create for like TikToks, marketing, even like educational training videos. So, and you did this in a real person, right? So, and it's like 20 minutes long, 5 minutes long, 1 minute, whatever, like TikTok shorts or even like full training videos. So with HeyGen Video Translate, you could upload this video and then you can just select a target language like, for example, Dutch or German or Italian or Russian or Ukrainian, Swedish, Spanish, whatever. And then we will take the video footage, we will track the face, and we will do the lip synchronization to the new target language, but still with your voice, still with your accent, but you can just speak like, you could translate this video in 24 different type of languages right away with just like 2 or 3 clicks, and then it's done. So imagine for like a big organization, or even if you have like a social media account or like a community, but you are just in your country because you're limited, because you can just speak German or English. I mean, English is okay, but maybe just Italian or Spanish, French, but you want to get more audience, new audience done, but you have to create content in their language. Now it's possible. So you can just record a video in your mother tongue language. You can upload the video and just press like Italian, French, and Spanish. And then you have the same video just in a different type of languages. And this is pretty cool and awesome. And you have to try it, to be honest, because you're just watching the video and it's just like speaking a different type of language. So for example, I did this video here. So, and I'm speaking in this video like normal German because yeah, I was born in Germany, right? So, but now I can speak Spanish. So let's have a look.
Teille näyttää, että vaikka liikun ja nousen ylös, olen liikkeessä ja haluan vain kävellä vähän ja kokeilla koko juttua. Tämä on minulle tärkeää ja haluan jakaa sen kanssanne. Sitten HeyGenin videokääntäjä toimii myös. Ette tarvitse vain seisoa paikallanne, vaan voitte myös liikkua vapaasti ympäriinsä. Voitte näyttää kameraa vähän ympäriinsä. Voit tuntea olosi täysin vapaaksi ja tallentaa videon. Se ei aina tarvitse olla staattinen.
So, Nikki, do we have someone from Finland?
Yeah, if you're from Finland and you know if that was an accurate translation, definitely let us know in the comments. That's one of my favorite things to do because I love when people tell us like, okay, one word was off or this actually was really accurate. Most of the time it's very natural and accurate. But yeah, the video translation feature, we did a whole webinar about it last week. So if you missed that one, you are welcome to go back into our YouTube and LinkedIn and watch the whole video. We did a full deep dive with new features. There's proofreading available for enterprise.
Yeah,
really,
it's a good point, Nikki. So if some of your like from our today viewers here like have a business or would like to get on the enterprise, this is the proofread option, right? So what proofread option means is you could like have a look through the transcript the AI is doing. So for example, you can upload a video in English and then you could translate this to Spanish. And the proofreading means that you could take control of the output language. So what this means is you could edit, you could make sure that there's a specific word mentioned. So you could do whatever type you want to. And this is a new feature as well. You can listen to this before you translate the video, because purple is always the color in HeyGen where we will like charge you by the credits, right? So if you go to translate this video, then we will ask you, okay, do you want to spend 1 credit for this video? And one more, Nikki, because this is a new feature, we can now include the captions, like the subtitles of the target language here. So
nice.
It's not just the perfect lip synchronization. It is now from here on also like the subtitles. So pretty cool. And yeah, for sure, we will develop even this feature that you could customize like the subtitles. So, but for right now, it's just like by default. Yeah, cool.
I was gonna say, I think it'd be cool if the captions could be in English.
Oh yeah.
And then so I mean, there's always so many things you can do. But yeah, we
Yeah.
love all the requests for new features. So definitely let us know which features you're using and which ones you'd like to see. I see here someone someone said to share one of my stories that I shared last time. I don't know if you've heard this one, Nick, but it was about when I went to an Art Basel event in Miami. He basically ended up at a party that was I met a bunch of Turkish people, and there was someone that worked at Turkish Airlines. And after the event, I sent him a video, and I basically translated a video of myself to Turkish, and I
Turkish,
sent
yeah.
it to him, and I said, "Hey, like it was so nice to meet you. I'm sure you don't remember me speaking fluent Turkish, but that's because I'm not. I don't know it. I'm actually just using an AI, and it definitely was like mind blowing for him to see that because
but you're working with one of the coolest startups on this planet,
Exactly.
and so yeah, you have the resources to do it, right? So pretty cool. Yeah, this is also like a very cool feature that you can just like personalize some videos and just like speak the same language as they did. So pretty cool. Yeah, cool story.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, and I see someone's asking if we record these webinars. So I believe on YouTube you can go back and watch all of the live recordings that we've done. So definitely go back. There's different features that we go in depth every week on. This one is just kind of a 101 overview on a bunch of different ones.
Yeah, just let me introduce like two more features we have for the video translation, because maybe there are some like potential enterprise customer who would like to join HeyGen, who would like to work with HeyGen. So proofreading could be sometimes a very time consuming because you have to check like everything. So we introduced like last week for our like CPO and a co-founder Wayne the knowledge base and brand vocabulary. So this means you could give the AI more context about the video itself or the company you're working with. So this means now, like GPT, like ChatGPT has also like the customizable and more feature, so that you can give the AI a perfect context, what you're doing or what you're speaking in this video, right? And then the translation will be, I would say 96% on point. So this is a very cool new feature, and you can prompt everything. And if you have some questions and you want to join us in case of the enterprise, just visit our like web page and contact sales, and we will get back to you very, very soon. So yeah, this is everything about the video translation right now.
Perfect. Yes. And I think this is a good overview. I think if you haven't tried this out, you're going to get 5 credits at the end of the webinar to go try it out yourself. And you can translate it to 5 different languages if you want, or you can use it to try out some of the other features. But it is really mind-blowing. I've heard so many use cases of people using it for education, for internal at companies to just show appreciation to different cultures of different employees, and just in general across personal reasons, speaking with family that speaks other languages. There's so many cases, and it's really been going viral on a lot of platforms. So if you do post any videos, definitely tag us. HeyGen, at HeyGen, I think on pretty much all the socials. On TikTok, it is HeyGen Official. But let's move on to the next feature, the talking photo. I think this one is an underrated feature that not a lot of people know about or know how to best use it. So why don't we
great
to that one?
Yeah, I just want to tell you one more, because the most use case like companies or even like creators reach to us out is really like they would like to create their own like educational or training videos, or even like master classes, or they would like to translate the existing videos to like new languages to get even like a better experience done for their own business, right? So it doesn't mean just like big enterprise clients or like organizations. So also like influencers, right? Like you, Nikki. So you could like, you're speaking English, you're speaking, I think Spanish as well. But if you would like to get and reach out to a new audience in like France, like Europe, or Italian, like German, whatever. So you could use HeyGen to do this now, to speak directly in their like mother tongue language. So there are a lot of use cases. So yeah, please join and try it out, because it's pretty fun. And if you're getting more in touch with HeyGen technology, you are getting better and better. And now I want to show you, because Nikki, I would say next Wednesday, is it correct? It's Valentine's Day.
Yes, Valentine's Day.
So, and I was thinking if I could show you something. And before we talking about talking photo, Nikki, I would like to show you our script writer, because I had a cool idea. So if we go to create a video, go to generate script, our like script gen AI will help you to create your content, right? And your script. So why we don't just like write me a script about 10 scenes, how I love you sounds, or in the most, I don't know, speaking countries, something like this, right? So output language is English. Tone is like casual, creative. Or maybe we could change it to how sounds I love you in the 10 most speaking countries languages, something like this. I mean, doesn't matter. Create 10 different scenes. So, and then you can press generate script, and GPT-4 in the background will create now the 10 scenes like for you. So, and this is pretty cool, because now you just don't have like I love you in like 10 different languages, because this is fun, yeah, but now you have scripts. So this means you have like different type of scenes, and you can now like create a video. So let's press create a video, and you will see that HeyGen itself will create the scenes already for you. So we will choose like one of the avatars, so it doesn't matter, because you can change this for sure. So if you want to use your own avatar, or like one of our provided avatars, but you don't want him, you want like Brianna, for example, you could change the avatar, and then the script is starting. So this means hi there. We can listen to this. Let's change the language to, or like the voice to, for example, Scarlett. And then we can listen to the first script, right? So let's have a look. I hope it's...
Hey there! Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of languages and exploring how the phrase, I love you, sounds in the 10 most spoken languages in the world. Get ready to expand your linguistic skills as we embark on this love-filled journey.
So you can listen to this previously, and then we jumping to the like second scene, and then we will start like, okay, so the text is already there. Now you just have to change the background. And like I said before, you can just like go to elements, and then you can go to images, and now you're putting like Valentine's Day. I think this should work. And then you have like all the backgrounds here, right? So you could add this image here. You could go to, let me double check. You can set as background. And then there we go. and then you can customizable. So even like with icons, stickers, even like videos, or even like music. So it's completely up to you. You can do everything in HeyGen. Sorry?
That looks so good.
Oh yeah, and if you want to don't have this just in English, because like I said before, you want to have this now in a new language, you can just like select this in, I don't know,
Yeah.
Croatian,
Oh,
for example.
Wait, someone wants to see Hindi.
Or Hindi, yeah, why not? So we go to scene 3, so we will translate, and then we will go to Hindi. I think it's India. I think we have, let me see, Hindi. There we go. And then we have Hindi, and we can apply this to the scene. And now the avatar will speak Hindi. So pretty cool. And yeah, so now let's have a look through Talking Photo, because I think you could like create, you could join HeyGen today, and you could create like some Valentine's messages to someone. So by using not your avatar, even like your Talking Photo. So if you go to avatar itself, you can go to Talking Photo, and then you can upload just a picture from yourself. So I did this with this picture today. So I think it's here. You can just open this picture, and then we will create, or HeyGen will create a talking photo from this picture. So what does it mean is that we will animate now this talking photo. And this is pretty cool, because now you can just like use this and create a video with your with your talking photo. So you don't have to use like a real person to create here digital twin. You could just like create a talking photo, and then you can just provide text. So you could like change even like the circle view or whatever. So you could even have a different type of view, and then you can add a text. Yeah, and then it's done. So, and I was thinking we could create something pretty cool, and I already did this. Nikki, are you down for do some cool stuff in Canva?
Yeah, show us something. We are, running quickly out of time,
Oh
but
yeah, sorry. Yeah, you're
always
right.
get carried away. But no,
Okay.
it's just there's so much we can talk about. I know some
You're
people
right. Let's do it. Let's do it in our like next 101 to show you how you could use HeyGen with Canva. All right. Let's face some questions. You're right, Nikki.
Okay, yeah, no problem. I know some people have been asking about the Adobe Express integration as well.
Yeah.
So maybe we can have another webinar and just go into all of the different integrations. There's a ChatGPT 4 plus plugin as well that you can use with HeyGen. So there are a lot of integrations. We're always building more. Yeah, these are
Yeah.
all
The problem is I could speak about HeyGen like for one day. So so the thing is, I'm pretty sorry, but I just want to show you every feature we have, because I think if you use everything in the way we are thinking, you could create like awesome and very professional stuff. It's not just like fun. You could even like create one of the best and most professional training videos, education videos, onboarding videos. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, so if you go on the left side to labs, you will see all the things we are doing and connecting with. So we have Adobe Express plugin. We have this Canva app as well, or like text to image. We have streaming avatar. And Nikki, what is the topic next week?
Next week, we're going to be talking about live streaming avatars. So we have done a couple of webinars about that before. It is one of the most highly requested features, but we always have updates as always. So definitely stay tuned, sign up for next week's, put an alarm, same time, Thursday, 2 p.m. Eastern. We will be going over the real-time live streaming avatar. But maybe we can go over a couple more questions just as we wrap today. And then, as always, we'll give some credits for you to test out all of those features we just talked about, the video translation, all of the different avatars we have, some of those backgrounds. There's a lot of stuff. And I love the people that have been writing in the chat, just saying that they have already used it. They used it while on the webinar, and they're mind blown. They're impressed. It is really cool.
Yeah, I think you have to practice this. I mean,
Yeah.
If you're not like an influencer, and you was not born like an influencer because you're like more for yourself, but you want to do something online. I mean, and you are very shy to speak in front of a camera or anything. I mean, you have now your like avatar, right? So you could just press and type in the text, transfer this to the avatar, and the avatar will speak for you, and not just in your language, even like over 40 languages. So I think it's such a cool feature and such a cool technology, and you have to try it to find your use case and your passion in HeyGen. So Nikki, are you just like putting the 5 credits link in the chat?
Yes,
here?
we're gonna put it in the chat. Let me pull up the link. It is a Typeform link.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have some questions about we can answer. I know a lot of people are asking enterprise questions. So what is the best way to get in touch with the enterprise team or you or
yeah, go to heygen.com, go to pricing, and then on the right side you will see enterprise and contact sales. So we will get this message like our enterprise team, and then we will put you the perfect fit in case of sales agent to your request because of the time zone issues, right? So we have some of like in the Asia and Australian time zone, in Europe, and also like in US, right?
Awesome. Yes. And here is our Typeform for the 5 free credits. It is 1 minute per credit is the what is the key? I don't know what the right word is, but that's the basically the legend. I don't know. That's the translation. That's what it equates to. So definitely use that. You can create 5 different videos. You can create half a video and only use half a credit. So definitely stay tuned every webinar. And in our Discord, we are having a contest really soon. So the contest, we are going to be doing something new that we have not done before, and we're going to be giving out 5 free credits for you to join the contest. The contest always has cash prizes. We give away $1,000, $500, $200. We give away free credits. So, if there's a specific prize, maybe we should give away so there's some more credits. We'll see. But for right now, we are going to give away in the Discord. There's a channel called Contest Wishes, and the next February will be in the next contest will be in February. So it is coming soon, and you can write in there that you're going to join the contest. We'll give you credits to actually.
Yeah, and I would like to see all of you. I would like to have really that create like over 50 videos from you, and then we will vote all together to create like the best creative video possible. So yeah, I would love to see you there. Okay, Nikki.
Awesome. And then let's answer one more question. I had just seen a question about, and now I lost it. Okay, wait, we need to send the Discord link again. And then, someone said, can we replace any of our 3 avatars in our account without incurring any additional fees? Do you know the answer to this?
Yeah, sure. You could delete one of your avatars, and then you will have a 3 spot. So it's not about the avatars, it's about like the slots you have. So you have 3 free slots. So if you delete one of your avatars, you can create a new avatar. Yes.
Awesome. Perfect. And then is it possible to buy additional minutes to an existing plan?
So for enterprise, yes. For creator and business, not. So you will be limited by the minutes you are purchasing. For sure, you can upgrade anytime, even from a business to an enterprise account. But like I said, the enterprise is very customizable. So we could create everything. So yeah, get in contact with us, and we will have a demo and sales meeting with you.
Perfect. I'm gonna send in one more time the Discord link. A lot of people are
Sure.
asking about it. It is already February. I know but it is coming soon. The contest.
Yeah, I think to be honest, I think next Sunday should be the release, and we will give all the 5 free credits to join the contest. Yes.
Perfect. And then I guess we can try. Someone is saying they had an issue deleting the avatar. Definitely reach out to us if you had an issue and it wasn't letting you do that.
Yeah, you can reach out to our Discord or channel and DM me directly, or you could go to support@heygen.com. So and yeah,
Yep.
text us.
Exactly. And then the last, so another type form here. This type form is to get in touch with the enterprise team.
Yeah.
This one is definitely, very helpful. Nick is one of the people, but there's a lot of people in the enterprise team that are here to support, answer your questions. If you have questions about API, enterprise, anything in general, this is where you want to go. And then another question I saw was about the credits. Definitely reach out to us. You should get them within 24 hours. We'll be awarding all of the people that were here for the webinar. So I think we're good. I don't know if there's any other immediate questions. I had one and I lost it. This keeps happening. Oh, wait, I had it. Okay. So sorry if this is a big question, but can you talk about ethical use and how you prevent misuse? This one, I did want to just bring this up because a lot of people have seen that our instant avatar is not available in the free plan anymore. This happened because someone and a few people were abusing our AI avatar feature. They basically made content that was not them. That is illegal. You can't do that. And you need to have, your rights to be able to use your likeness. So we are preventing it by limiting the access. So it's not every person can create a free avatar anymore. Now there is a little bit more of a barrier to do that. So with the creator plan, you can still create an instant avatar of yourself. You can create 3 instant avatars. So that should be plenty for you to try it out. And you'll get 15 credits on top of that as well. And that's with the most basic package, the creator package, $29 for the month.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, perfect, Nikki. Yeah. Very important.
Awesome. Yeah, it's definitely super cool. We just had someone create it right now. So definitely check it out yourself. And you can see examples all over social media, on TikTok, on our Instagram. I've made a few of myself. It's very impressive. And next week, just a little reminder, we will be talking about live streaming avatar, so our instant avatar, but live. So it is just insane, mind-blowing. It's faster and faster, all of the technology. So
yeah, can't wait. I think Alec, our product lead, will join you for this webinar. So pretty exciting. You could join. So yeah, thank you everyone. I wish you a great day or good night, and greetings from Los Angeles.
Yes, thank you all so much. We appreciate and love all the supports. Follow us on socials and join our Discord. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.